Do you recognize the important purchasing strategy activity that's being described in this scenario? Let's take a look. Here we go. You are listening to two employees from your organization's purchasing department. They are looking over, I'm interested in this, long lists of items purchased by your organization, and they're arguing about how to, important word, consolidate these many small spending amounts into a shorter list of larger amounts so they can later develop purchasing strategies for the items on the shorter list. We should put the paint for the new employee's office under office supplies, says one. The other employee disagrees and argues something about building maintenance. What is the process that the two employees are most likely engaged in? Yes, do we recognize that process? So what are they doing? They have a long detailed list of everything that the organization has spent money on, and they're arguing about how to organize those into a shorter list of, notice that, broader categories. Categories just like, in general, office supplies, in general, building maintenance. Where should the paint go? Okay, that is known as, it's a very important activity, commodity / category planning. Now, what's with the slash? Well, a lot of organizations, they would call it category planning. Some people call it commodity planning. Think about where it gets its name. What is the business about office supplies? See, with the capital letters, or this broad category right here of building maintenance. Many small specifics, where should they go in these broader categories? That's where it gets its name.